And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Ricky. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way can be killing. She got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. I testify for you. I told that lie, I kill that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch, give me.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is too dark. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Edney, for those of you who don't know me. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're going to be doing a Telfar unboxing today. And we're going to be doing, I'm going to be unboxing the pink Telfar bag. And yes, I'm excited. And I also got the Telfar sweatshirt, so I'm gonna probably unbox that in this video too. So yes, let's get to unboxing. Just open it real quick. So this is the headband, and this is the bag. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get the crew neck shirt. I don't remember the name. It has the embossed Telfar logo in the middle. So I'm gonna also do that one too. It's pink as well. So yes, we're gonna unbox the Bubblegum headband and the Bubblegum puff shopper. I got the medium size. I don't think I'm gonna get any more small bags, but this is how it looks. And this is the puff headband, and this is what it says here. And then this is the bag. Excited for that. So we're gonna unbox the headband first. I'm so excited. Telfar makes me so excited. Like, oh, this is so cute. I already have this in black. I have the black puff, the green puff as well, but I got the black headband. Super cute. So this is the inside of, oh, this is the front of it. Right there, I got the Telfar logo. Has the velvet inside here. Super cute. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys. So has the logo there. This is super cute. See, super cute and warm. Love it. Yes. Alright, so let's get into the bag. I'm gonna keep my headband on because I love it. Here goes my bag. So excited. Goodness. She is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful she is. Super cute. I love her. So let me show you a little closer. Okay. This lighting is not giving. So let me show y'all.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. White, savvy, basic, Nikki, cop. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Okay, so what you doing, Papa? Alright, so the inside of the bag. Huh? What? So we're gonna take this off. And some paper. Like this, super dry. So it has a zipper on the inside here. And then it has a little sleeve here with the Moose Knuckles and Telfar logo on that. It's a magnet. But let me show you the inside. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the inside of the bag. So here goes the zipper inside here. It has the logo on it. Opening that. This is where I typically would put like my Telfar wallet, my keys. If you don't know, there's a hidden pocket inside there. Let me show you real quick. And it's the inside of the bag. There's a sleeve right here. And this bag doesn't have a zipper. It has this little clasp here. Oh, don't close because oh yeah, so that's how it looks closed. Yeah, so that's how it looks closed. Love this. It's my favorite color. It goes to straps. Okay, so these are the straps. So let me show y'all. Standing up. Crossbody. It's super cute. This is how it looks without the straps. This is my favorite way of wearing the bag, like this. But you could wear it the other way as a crossbody. But I would rate this bag a 10 out of 10. It's very cute. It's my favorite color. Love it. It's so cute. It stands on its own. Oh my gosh. If I was going away like to a cabin or something, I would wear this bag. It's given with the little puff coat. So cute. So yeah, I'm adding her to my collection. So I love her. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think of this bag. Do you have this bag? If not, what color do you have? And yes. So I'm gonna try the embossed shirt. So now I'm gonna try the embossed shirt. Well, I'm gonna unbox that and then we're gonna wrap this vlog up. So I'll show you all of them together. Alright guys, so we are going to unbox the sweatshirt. I just cut it, but wow. This is the, oh, it's the same color, bubblegum. Super cute. So cute. And this is the Mockneck. The Mockneck bubblegum in medium. So these are unisex sizing, so I just got the medium. The other clothing that I got from Telfar is also medium too. I think medium? I don't know. Nah, I gotta get a close up of this. Hold on, y'all. She is so pretty. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is how she looks. Wow, this is big. So this is massive. Maybe I should have gotten a small. Yeah. This is as big as me. Look at this. So let me try it on and I'll be back. So this is how she looks on. Sorry if the lighting is not the best. Jace, you could do that over there, please. This is how she looks on. This is the Telfar embossed sign. So I could have gotten away with a medium. As you can see, the arms. But it's very roomy. The material is really nice. This is the neck. The mock neck is really, really cute. I would do an updo with this. Yeah. So this is a really cute combo. They're all the same color, which is super cute. My hair came out. Let me put the headband on. See how it looks. This is a cute outfit. Super cute. Okay, it's given. Super cute. The sweater's just, you know, a little big, but I would definitely wear it like this with this sweater and this bag. This is a cute outfit with some nice jeans, some thigh-high boots. So this is everything together. What y'all think? I think it's cute. So I didn't rate the sweater. I would give the sweater an 8 out of 10 because it's, see, it's big, but it's very comfortable. The quality is amazing. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked this unboxing. And for the pink lovers and Telfar lovers, go and get y'all a bag. They still have some available. These did not sell out, so I do have the black and I have the green in this bag as well, in the puff collection. Well, the puff style, but it's cute. So yes, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
You I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us